Johnny Ornelas, Marissa Duran, and Zergy Martinez. Period 2, Physics. So there is this boy, Billy, who's playing with the baseball on planet Earth, and he decides to throw it up. This is to show the path the ball will take to come back down, and we will discuss the energy in the ball. And it shows the max height and the lowest.
We're going to draw an energy flow diagram. An energy flow diagram depicts how the energy is being transferred in different points in time. This is going to be moment in time A, and this side is going to be moment in time
B.
The part in the middle is going to be our system.
We're going to start off with the ball.
There's Billy. When he throws the ball, that first point, we're going to make that height 0. Here's Billy again in the second point. There's the ball. Now the ball is at the highest point, which means it has no velocity. It's getting ready to fall back down. Here it has the max velocity because it's pure speed. There's our original height from when the ball was first thrown, and that line represents 0. There's 3 different types of energy. There's elastic, kinetic,
and gravitational.
I'm going to write the same thing on the other side. Now elastic is like stretching something. We're not stretching anything, so that's going to be 0. The height's 0, so there's no gravity. There's no gravitational energy, so we're going to make that 0. Again, there's no elastic energy, so we're going to make that 0. And there's no kinetic. The ball is our system, and the gravitational field. We're going to ignore any energy dissipated throughout our system. Now here, because our velocity is at its max point, means it's at its max kinetic energy. Kinetic is motion. So when there's more motion, there's more kinetic energy. Right here, because there is no motion,
there is no kinetic energy.
The way this works is that kinetic energy transfers. As the ball was thrown in the air, at its first point, it had 10 kinetic energy. But because it was at height 0, there was 0 energy in the gravity field. But once it got to its highest point, which is our moment in time B, there was no kinetic because the ball wasn't moving, and there was a lot of energy in the gravity field because it was at its highest point. The energy is transfers during everything. So it transferred from kinetic to gravitational to the end.
We are done!
This is our spring break project.
And
hope you enjoy it. Bye.